Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy M40 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to take a slow motion video in Samsung Galaxy M40 smartphone. First of all, open camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy M40 and click on slow motion option here. Now record a video. While recording the video will be like a normal video. I record this video. And I stop the video and I am playing the video. This is the video and I click on play. It will ask for permission. Just I have given permission and see here. The video is very slow in action. So in this way we can easily take slow motion video in Samsung Galaxy M40 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye. See you.